This is Christine Fitzgerald, the high school maths tutor. Today's question is, the gradient of this function at the point 2, -9 is -6. Find A and B. We are actually given two pieces of information here. Apart from the gradient at this point, we're also given the y value at that point. So I'll begin with using the y value. Sub in x equals 2 into the equation. A over 2 squared is A over 4. B times 2 is 2b. That would give us the y value, but we know what it is. It's -9. So that's an equation we will need to come back to. We can't solve it because there are two unknowns in it, not just one. Now to differentiate, to use the gradient, I'll firstly rewrite it so that it's easier to differentiate. Same thing, just looking slightly different. Now differentiate. There's lots of letters here, but we are differentiating with respect to x. So just treat the others as normal numbers. Bring the -2 down the front and reduce the power by 1. And bx will just be b. That's the derivative at 2. When we sub into the derivative, so -2a times 2 to the -3 plus b is -2a over 8 plus b. We can simplify that. -a over 4 plus b. And we knew all along what it equals. It's equal to -6. We need to find the values of a and b, and we've now got them contained within two equations, which we will have to solve simultaneously. One here and one here. So I shall do that over the page. So I've got those written here again, and normally at this point I would multiply through by 4 to remove all the fractions. But given, if I'm going to eliminate, these are exactly the same term, same coefficient, just opposite sign. So they're ready to go. If I add the equations together, they add to 0 and eliminate the a. 2b plus b is 3b, and they add to -15. Therefore, we've solved for b, and it's -5. Sub that back into either one of the equations. I might use this one. -a over 4 plus b minus 5 equals -6. -a over 4 is -1. Therefore, -a is -4. A is +4. So our solutions are A equals 4 and B equals -5. That's the answer. One thing I can't stress strongly enough is to always go back to the question and check the wording of it. Did it ask for the whole equation, or did it just ask for the values of A and B? In this case, we were asked to find A and B, and we've done that, so we have finished. Okay, if you have any queries or questions, please post a comment below. Thank you for listening. Bye.